various types of female sex organs which are involved in the process of reproduction are united to form a system which is called female reproductive system. Female reproductive system of human. Female reproductive system are divided into one, external reproductive organs, and two, internal reproductive organs. External reproductive organs are labia majora, labia minora, clitoris, urinary opening, vaginal opening or urethral opening. These organs, that is labia majora, labia minora, clitoris, urinary opening and vaginal opening or urethral opening, are collectively known as vulva, or it is also called external genitalia. Internal reproductive organs are ovary, one pair, fallopian tube, one pair, one uterus and one vagina. External reproductive parts or organs of female. External reproductive organs, they are commonly called external genitalia. This diagram represents external reproductive organs or female external genitalia. This is clitoris. Clitoris is situated just above the urinary opening or urethral opening. Clitoris is about the size of a pea and it contains sensory nerve endings. It provides sexual pleasure. Beneath the clitoris there is an opening. This opening is called urinary opening, or it is also called urethral opening. Urine leaves the body through this opening. This portion is labia majora, and this is labia minora. Labia majora and labia minora are folds of skin, and labia majora and labia minora surrounds and protects the other external reproductive organs such as clitoris, urethral or urinary opening, vaginal opening. Labia majora is called upper lips and labia minora is called lower lips. Now, beneath the urethral opening or urinary opening, there is the opening of vagina, or it is called vaginal opening. Vagina is a muscular tunnel. It is about 4 inches long, and vagina is connected with the uterus, and this is the opening of the vagina, hence it is called vaginal opening. And this region is called pubic region, is called mons pubis. Mons pubis is a fatty tissue covering of pubic bone. This is anus. We are discussing about female reproductive system, and this figure represents female internal reproductive organs. Vagina. Vagina is a muscular canal or tunnel. At the distal end, vagina opens to the exterior through vaginal opening, and this vaginal opening is surrounded by or covered by vulva. At terminal end, vagina is connected with uterus. This is uterus through the cervix of the uterus. Cervix of uterus. This is cervix of uterus. Vagina is about 4 inches long. Vagina is the place where penis is inserted during intercourse, and semen along with sperms are ejaculated here, and in case of natural birth, baby is born through vagina. Vagina is called also birth tunnel or birth canal, and through this vagina menstrual blood flows. After vagina, then uterus. This region is uterus. It is a pear-shaped muscular organ about the size of a fist. Uterus is made up of 3 parts, or uterus consists of 3 parts. One, this is fundus of the uterus, upper part of the uterus, and then this is body of the uterus. Body of uterus. This region is body of the uterus, and this region is called cervix. That is the lower portion of the uterus. So this region is uterus. It consists of 3 parts. One, fundus, body of uterus, and number 3, cervix of uterus. Wall of the uterus is made up of 3 different tissue layers, and there at the outermost layer, that is this layer, this outermost layer, this is perimetrium, and this middle layer, it is called myometrium, and the innermost, this innermost glandular layer is called endometrium. Uterus is the place where fetus is developed. Next, fallopian tube. There are 2 fallopian tubes. This is fallopian tube. These 2 fallopian tubes formed from both sides of the uterus and extend up to ovaries. This fallopian tube is about 10 to 12 centimeter in length, and this fallopian tube, or each fallopian tube, is divided into 3 parts. This part is called infundibulum. So this is infundibulum. This is infundibulum. Each infundibulum has finger-like projections, and these finger-like projections are called fimbriae. And infundibulum is funnel-shaped structure. It carries ovum from ovary. Next part of the uterus, this widest part of the fallopian tube is called ampulla. This region is ampulla, and this is the site of the fallopian tube, that is ampulla, where fertilization takes place. And this straight narrow part of the fallopian tube is called isthmus. This is isthmus. So fallopian tube is divided into three parts. They are infundibulum, ampulla, and isthmus. Ovary. There are two ovaries in the pelvic cavity, one on each side of the uterus. This is ovary and this is uterus. Ovary and this is uterus. Each ovary is connected to the lateral wall of the uterus by a ligament. This ligament is called ovarian ligament. Each human ovary is whitish in color and oval shaped. Each ovary is about 2 to 4 centimeter in length and 1.5 to 2 centimeter in thickness. Human ovaries produce ova and female sex hormones. So this is female reproductive system of human. Thank you for watching this video. Stay with the channel and subscribe the channel to get more videos.